Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make honey sriracha slow cooker meatballs. Alright, let's start off with our ingredients. First you're going to need 2 pounds of meatballs, and you want those just pre-made, or you can make your own, it's up to you. And then you need a half a cup of sriracha sauce, 2/3 cup of honey, 4 teaspoons of either lemon or lime juice, whichever one you have on hand, 2 teaspoons of some kind of oil, cooking oil. I'm just using vegetable because that's what I have. 2 teaspoons of garlic powder and 2 teaspoons of onion powder. And then, of course, you need a slow cooker. So first we're going to just mix all of this together except our meatballs in a large bowl. Alright, everything is mixed together, and I gave it a little taste, and it does have some heat, so I mean, it's up to you if you like heat and you want to add more sriracha, or if you want to add more honey to tone down the heat a bit. But now we are going to just put our meatballs into our slow cooker in a single layer. Alright, that looks good to me, so next I'm going to just pour over my sauce and then give it a good stir. Okay, all my meatballs look nice and coated, so we are going to put our lid on this and cook these on high for 2 hours if they were refrigerated. If they're frozen, do about 3 to 4 hours. And go ahead and stir those a few times during that 2-hour period. Alright, my meatballs are all ready to go, and they do have quite a kick to them, so Taste Tester's not going to be tasting these. He isn't a fan of huge spiciness like this, but they are so good. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye!